Hi, welcome to Sew with Christine. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make these skirts with drawstrings at the sides. So if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, do like and share this video. I've folded my fabric into 4, so I'm going to take the length of these skirts. Afterwards, I'll take down the quarter waist measurement and mark down my results. Then from the waistline here, I'll come down by 7 for the hip line, and on these 7 inches I'm going to take the quarter hip measurements, and I'll also mark down my results. Next, I will take down the hem measurements. At the hem area here, I'm going to minus 1.5 from the hip measurements, and I will mark that down. Then I'm going to add 1 inch for ease, since I'll be adding slits to these skirts. I'm going to take down the seam allowance, then proceed to connecting all the points together. Afterwards, I'll just go ahead and cut this out. So on this piece of fabric, I'm going to measure out the waistband. The width of the waistband is 5 inches. This will be folded into 2. And the length of the waistband is the length of your waist circumference plus the seam allowance. Next, I'm going to cut out my string. So I'm just going to measure out 1.5 inches, and I need 2 of this. So I'm going to measure 1.5 in 2 places, and here we have my strap already cut out. This is what I will be using for the drawstring. Next, I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and hem the base of the skirts. After hemming the base, I'm going to close up the sides. So this is it. I'm done closing up the sides, and I've gone ahead to hem the base of this skirt. At the top part here, I left this part open for my zipper. So I'm going to be facing my zipper at the side of this skirt. So I've just done this to the wrong part, and this is the side of the skirt here. I'm going to take the length of the drawstring channel. So for this skirt, I'll be using 10 inches. So I'm going to sew on the edge of this seam downward, and I'll sew on the other edge too. I'll do the same for this other side. I've gone ahead to sew the sides as the string channels, as you can see. So on this side I have 2 stitches, and on this other side I also have 2 stitches. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to fix my band to this skirt. So I'm just going to sew my band around the waist of this skirt, and this is it. I'm done sewing my waistband, and I've also attached my zipper to the side. The next thing is to fix my drawstring into the drawstring channels. Here is my already sewn string that I'm going to be passing through these channels. So you can make use of pin, you can make use of needle. I'm making use of needle right now to pass this string through this channel. So I'm going to pass this through the first one and then turn it so that it comes out through the second channel. If you have watched this point and you have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video. To get updates on my upcoming tutorials, do turn your notification bell on, so once I post you get notified. I'm done passing the string, and I'm just trying to make a knot at the end of the string. So on the wrong part of this clothes, I'm going to take this now to my machine and sew onto these parts. Once I'm done sewing, I'm going to cut this edge off. So I'm done sewing it, and this is the inside. I will just cut this part open like so, and this is it, guys. You can see how easy this thing is. This is something you can do. Anyone can do this. I'll just go ahead and draw my string. This is just a DIY project. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.